Y'all, welcome back to another Saturday edition of G-Man steelhead fishing, or G-Man whitefish fishing, or trout fishing, or I don't know. Y'all, what we out here, we're trying to catch a fish for y'all and make a halfway decent video. We'll see what happens though. I already got done throwing a jig and a bobber out there. Now I'm throwing a steelhead out there. Kind of drifted a few times. You know, all that stuff down there is kind of slick to stand on right now, so I don't know if I'm going to stand on it or not. For a good pair of spikes would come in handy. Just put on your shoes. It's terrible.
Getting a lot of bites.
Well, yeah, we're all using. Well, I'm the only one that's using something that's not practical. What it boils down to. This is not practical because it looks nothing like what they're eating. So I'm the only one that's not using it. Did you get it? You got him? Or you hung up? Shit. You had something there for a second. Couldn't tell though if he was hung up or not. Can I try yours a couple casts, nephew? Yeah. I want to see if I can't pick up one of these fish nobody else is able to pick up. Just gonna take a couple quick casts. Watch out, everybody! I'm coming for them. What up? Did you catch anything?
No, not yet. My dad's fishing with mine for a minute.
Ah.
He's not working.
Oh yeah.
So what do we do when we're done with your stuff? Do we just bring it back?
No, just keep it. I put it on your guys' stuff, that way if you guys decide to come fishing later, you guys have stuff already to catch fish. You know? But I'm about to show you all how it's done. Alright. Alright, what's the matter, Neff? Oh, wow. How'd you do that one? Woohoo! Yeah, that's something that happens when you're not paying attention and casting and stuff. So, let me take a cast here before I tend to your mess.
Oh my God.
See if I can. Here. Go. Hold that.
Where's the fly fishing store at?
Right up the road.
Is it walking distance or?
Yeah, it'd be driving distance because this is what, a mile up the road or so? 2 miles. Whew. What a I don't know if Uncle's gonna be able to get that one. That one's quite a spill. But Uncle's got a lot of patience, so he's gonna do his best to get it out and done. See, and then while I'm doing this, I'll cast that out there for you, and you can keep fishing while I try to deal with whatever you call this monstrosity. I said I would cast it for you. Watch your heads, boss. There you go. See, that way somebody's fishing while I'm busy taking care of the mess. Get him? I think you got him, yeah. Matthew, you got one. Get him, bro, get him. Oh, nice whitefish, nice whitefish. Get down there and get it. Get down there and get it. Get him, get him.
Come on, Matthew.
Bring him up here. Reeled it up as far as you can. Okay, there you go.
Ah!
You reeled it up into the other fly. There we go.
Good job, little bro.
I told you I was out for. We'll deal with him and then I'll cast you back out there, bro. I'm busy trying to deal with this.
Well, it popped off.
All right, well, throw him up there. Oh, make sure you YouTube, nephew's got a nice little whitefish. He gonna keep it. I don't know if he's still recording. No, you're not. All right, well.
My dad lost the weight to this.
Ah.
The weight flew off.
Uh-huh. It's down there by where your dad and I were fishing. Here, I'll throw you out there and see if you can't get you a fish real quick, all right? Here you go. Here.
Oh. Look, it's in my hand.
Hey. There you go. Now, oh my God.
Awesome. What did Mom say? She says that she'll go to the store, check it out.
Well, you see those slinkies are just something. Yeah. Well, what do you expect? I don't have my casting. Don't have my undivided attention. Well, I've got other line in my hand, you know.
No.
So if I get your ear, it's because I'm busy. All right.
We'll all blame you. I'll find.
What's that? Did you get in the tree this time? Okay, I'm gonna need your hands, nephew. Okay, I want you to pick up that rod and reel. I want you to reel in, keep this out here like this, and reel in a little bit at a time, as I tell you to, okay? Go ahead and reel in a little. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Because I've almost got it. Okay, stop. You need me to cast? Here, let me see that. I'll cast it out there real quick. Just, it's all in the wrist, dude. It's all in the wrist. It's all in the wrist. Got it. They'll call me the knot whisperer by the time they're done watching this one on YouTube. Of course, I won't put it on there because it'll probably take too long and they'll be all bored anyways.
Well, in the middle of it, there was a fish.
Yeah, yeah. Imagine that. But they're going to see that part of it anyways. Now I got to figure out how to get that one little, because that's the last little part, I think, is that little part right there, and got to figure that out. And then we'll. I've been fishing longer than you, nephew. That's why I can do this kind of stuff. Okay, go ahead and reel in. There you go. It's all untangled. Now we got to figure. Okay, there you go. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. That's all right to help keep it untangled. Yeah, come on. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. All right. You're golden, nephew. Boom.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me see. Did you get it tangled up there?
No, I'll just make sure I did it.
Okay. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, 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 fish. That's a big, oh yeah, that's a huge one. That's a huge one. Huge fish. Huge fish. Whoa. Oh, size of that one. Whoa. 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 Yeah. That about do her. That's a big fish. But wow. Such a big fish. I'm not gonna kill this one. I'm gonna let it go. Okay, he's just, I can't see killing that fish. That's probably a 5 or 6 pound whitefish. I'm not gonna kill him. I'm gonna put him back. That's a big whitefish. I didn't. Okay, kiss this guy. There we go. Yes, that was just not one.